I've already done my eyebrows and primed my eyelids and done all my foundation and concealer so that we just have a blank canvas for us to work on. Okay, so I'm going to start with the sun eye. And I'm just going to do like the cut crease eyeshadow first. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and an orangey transition shade. And I'm going to just put that in the crease. Then with a smaller, fluffier brush, I'm going to take a red. And I'm just going to press this on the outer V and in the crease. Then I'm going to take the transition shade fluffy brush. And I'm going to blend out the edges of that. Then I'm going to go back in with the red fluffy brush and blend the edges. Now I'm going to take some concealer and cut the crease. Then I'm going to take some of the Ben Nye cream paints and I'm going to mix some of the yellow with the concealer, and I'm just going to put this on the area that we just cut the crease. And I'm going to pack some powder all over the creams. Take a white shimmery eyeshadow shade and pack that on top of the yellow. Now I'm going to do the other eye. I'm going to take the same fluffy brush, but this time I'm going to take a cream blue like we did in the Cinderella video, and I'm going to put that in the crease. And then I'm going to take powder again on the same brush and just pack that to set it. Then I'm going to take the concealer and cut the crease. And then I'm going to go on with some purple on top of that, a purple cream. And then I'm going to go ahead and set that as well. Then I'm going to take a shimmery purple eyeshadow and put that on top. Going back in with that blue and blend the edge. I'm going to do the same with the other eye because I forgot to do it before. Now I'm going to take some white and map out the moon and the sun rays. I'm just gonna set the moon before I clean it up. Now I'm gonna take some of the blue and clean up the moon. Now I'm gonna blend out the edges of the blue. I'm gonna keep adding blue because it's not quite dark enough yet. Then I'm going to take a lighter blue and go around the edge. I'm going to deepen it even more by adding a deeper navy blue. Now I'm going to go ahead and set that. Okay, now I'm going to take the white and neaten up the moon. Then for the last time, I'm going to set this. And then the last thing for the moon eye is a bright white inner corner highlight. I'm going to take the cream and then set it with the shimmery white eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take a red lip liner and colour in every second sun ray. Now I'm going to go in with some yellow and fill in the parts I haven't filled in yet. Now I'm going to go and fill in the red parts with some red paint. Then I'm going to go around the edge and blend the colours out so that they fade a bit. Now I'm going to do the same inner corner highlight as that one, except I'm going to use a slightly warmer inner corner highlight. I'm just going to apply some mascara and some black eyeliner on the waterline, and then I'll be back to do the rest of the face. Okay, so now just like I did with the eyes, I'm going to map out the skull on my face using some white face paint. Okay, so my battery died, so it's been like a couple of hours, and I don't know, I did film it, but I don't know if it like how much I filmed, but I've done the blue where it needs to go, like the light blue, and now I'm going to do the light yellow where it needs to go on this side. Now I'm going to take a navy blue paint and do the hollows of the blue moon side. I just added some of the blue up there. I'm also going to put some of the blue along the jawline and completely cover half of my neck. Now I'm actually going to do my hair while I'm here too, because some of the hair has blue in it. So I'm also actually just going to paint my ears. Okay, now I'm gonna get some black and deepen this. And then also on the jaw. Now I'm going to take some of the royal blue and blend around some of the edges. Now I'm going to take some purple and blend around the edges too. Now I'm going to take some purple and go up here too. Now I'm going to take some purple and go around the edge of this eye. Take some of the royal blue and go around some of this, and go around the rest of the eye. I'm just going back in with the baby blue to clean up. Now I'm just going to be moving on and doing the teeth. Okay, so I'm currently baking this side of my face and I'm on my phone at the moment because the camera batteries are being stupid and not charging properly. So I'm just gonna finish it and I'll show you at the end. Also go to my Instagram for some amazing photos of this. Yeah, I'm currently just baking the whole half of the face because I haven't done this half yet. And I need someone to take my photo for me and they're all gonna go to bed soon. So I need to quickly do this other side and I'll come back and show you. Okay. Oh, sugar's lighting's different. Oh well, but I finished the look. Go over to my Instagram and see the photos. You'll be able to see the makeup look better. But yeah, I now need to eat something because it's 10:30 and I haven't eaten any dinner yet. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I don't want to wipe it off. I only just finished it and it looks, this like took me hours. So I don't want to wipe it off.